Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what we're working on is we're working on this Amazon Kindle. It's one of these e-readers, and as you can see, it says the battery is empty or dead. And I tried recharging for a long time in the hopes that it would actually revive, but it never came on, and it's been like this. And so what I'm going to try to do is let's change the battery on it, okay? I was able to get a battery from this company right here. It was off of eBay. It was about $12, $13 I think with tax. So this is the one we're going to use, and hopefully it should go okay. I hope it's an exact match. I don't know exactly if it is, but it is the hope, you know. Sometimes. So let's see. I'm going to open it up. Let's open the package and see. Okay. Okay. Here we go. And let's see. So, the reason I bought this one, it was supposedly a factory original, and so oops, gotta cut some more here. And so I was hoping that it would be exactly versus another one. So here it is. Oh look, okay, it came with a little scribe, a couple pry tools. That's nice. And then of course the nicely wrapped in foam on both sides, and the factory original battery there. Okay, um, so let's see. Let's go give it a shot. Okay, we'll set that right there, and let's take my pry tools and put them aside. Okay, and so this one, I'm gonna go this way. Okay, and right under here are a couple tabs, and this should slide out. So if I push it, right there and right there, this should slide away. There we go. Oh, good. Okay, that came off. Right here are the clips right here. So if you push it, then this whole thing should slide out. All right. So we'll set that aside, and then we will take their screwdriver. It's a little one, and if you look, you might flip this around. There's a screw right here underneath this rubber, right here, and there's another screw over here. You can tell right here. Okay, so we're going to undo those. And just you don't have to take them all the way out, but just set them out, and then move that rubber aside a little bit and twist. There we go. I should use my screwdriver because this one is not that good. Okay, and then all right, and then you see that there's little clips right. Oops, sorry. There's a clip right there, and a clip right here. So if you take the three clips, okay, and you push down right here and there, then this piece should slide out and off like that, and you might have to fight a little bit. And then here's the battery right here, and you can tell this one says Amazon Kindle, and it is a little bit bloated. So let's take this out. Two screws, and this screwdriver is, yeah, there's a reason why they sent that. That's not good. So let's use one of my screwdrivers. I like this one. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me lock it in place. Okay, there we go. Two screws, and then this should just pop out according to instructions. Let's see. There we go. And there we go. And these are just made for connections. So let's do a comparison. Okay. Here's the new one. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. This one. This model is a D00801. Okay, and they said that this would fit it, so that's why we went with it. So yeah, looks like a little difference, but otherwise it's an exact replica. So let's put that in place. Let's put the screw on. Okay, there we go. All right, let's take a look over on the other side. Oh look, okay, so that's good. Okay, so it's responding. The battery is low, so we're going to charge it. Okay, so I think it might take a charge because it had that flip. Okay, so let's put the back cover back on. And as you can tell, this little volume up and down sometimes falls off, but that just goes right here. So just make sure that you put it back in. And so we're gonna line up these pieces down, okay, and then make sure that you click it in all the way. There we go. You can tell, okay. And then we're gonna put the control in here. There we go. And then we're gonna make sure we're all the way clicked in to the bottom. Okay, I think we are. Sometimes. Okay, that looks even on the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to tighten the screws up. One there. And one there. Okay. And then the volume control buttons there. And then this just goes back on like so. And we got to line it up, and then we're just going to, well, can you see that on the camera? We're just going to push it down until it clips back in, and there you go. It's all done. Okay. And look, it works now. Look. So it's low, okay? But oh yeah, look, it works. All right, so it seems to work okay, and the books are listed now. So this is a good working Kindle now. All it needed was, that that battery. So that battery was the fix. All right, guys, this is a simple fix. It's a short video. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching another video, and have a great day. And thank you for subscribing.